In this video series, we will complete a Revit structural project in small, easy steps. Please subscribe our channel for future updates. In our previous video, we placed reinforcement in our beams. Now let's add reinforcement in our roof slab. Select Slab. Click on Area button next to Rebar. Now let's draw area, same as our slab. We have to assign major direction to our area. We have short spans of slabs in this direction, so our major direction is correct. Now we will go to Properties panel and start adding bars in major and minor directions. We will put number 4 bar as top major and spacing at 9 inches. Same bar and spacing will be used in minor direction as well. Now put number 4 at 6-inch spacing as bottom major and minor. Now click on Apply and then click on Check button. To finish the command, slab reinforcement is applied on the slab. We can see this information tag. Now let's view our reinforcement in 3D view. We can see that reinforcement is represented by single line in 3D view. Make a selection around 3D view and apply filter. Select structural rebars. Now from Properties panel, click on Edit next to Visibility Graphics parameter. Now in 3D view, check View Unobscured and View as Solid options. Now change the view settings to Fine. We can see that all the reinforcement have been changed to solid bars. Now our 3D view looks better. In our next video, we will make a schedule for footings. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.